Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Hazmat skin in Call of Duty Mobile. This iconic operator skin is a fan favorite, known for its striking green and black hazmat suit design. While it has been available through various means, understanding these methods is key to adding it to your collection. We will cover the primary ways this unique skin has been released in the game. One of the main ways the Ghost Hazmat skin was initially introduced was through a premium battle pass. Players could acquire it by purchasing the battle pass and reaching specific tiers during that season. Battle passes typically offer over 50 tiers of rewards, including new weapons, blueprints, and character skins like Ghost Hazmat, making them a valuable source for exclusive content. Beyond the battle pass, lucky draws and bundles are common avenues for rare skins to reappear. Lucky draws involve a randomized system where players spend Call of Duty points for a chance to win items, with the odds increasing with each draw. Bundles, on the other hand, offer a direct purchase of a collection of items, including the operator skin, for a set amount of in-game currency. To ensure you don't miss out on future opportunities for the Ghost Hazmat skin, it's crucial to stay informed. Regularly check the in-game store and event tabs for any new bundles or draws. Following official Call of Duty, mobile social media accounts and community channels will also provide timely updates on potential re-releases or special events where this distinctive skin might become available again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.